how to see your connections on your Epic Games account on PC. Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to find and see your connections easily on Epic Games. First thing, go to Epic Games. As you can see right here, this is the home page. Now go here, click on Unreal Engine and go down to here, click on your name and click manage account. Now after you click manage account, you will be able now to go to this page and go down to here and click on connections. Now after you click connections, as you can see right here, you will be able to see the apps that connected with your account and also your accounts here. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching until the end. See you later.